How to flip an image in Photopea. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you flip an image in Photopea. So let's get started. On this process, after you open Photopea and from this interface, if you want to flip the image, you have to just select the layer of image on Photopea, as you have to move with the right hand section and click on that photo layer. Alright, after you choose the layer, at the top left, you'll have to click on image. Alright, once you have clicked on image, you'll have to click on transform, and from the transform section you can easily find the options like flip, so you can manually flip like horizontally or vertically, so simply select one from here. Alright, as you can see, I have successfully flipped the image in vertically. So by doing this process same, you can as usual flip your image to horizontally or vertically. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.